You want to speak English naturally? You must learn phrasal verbs. Not just eat, but eat out. Not just enter, but come in. Native speakers use phrasal verbs every day, and today you will learn 100 of them. Step by step. Stay with me, and your English will level up. In this lesson, I will say the phrasal verb, explain the meaning, give you an example, then you repeat. Ready? Let's begin. Get up means rise from bed. Example, I get up at 6 a.m. Get on means enter a bus or train. Example, she gets on the bus. Get off means leave a bus or train. Example, he gets off at the station. Get back means return. Example, I get back home late. Get over means recover. Example, she gets over the flu. Take off means remove. Example, take off your shoes. Take out means remove or go outside. Example, take out the trash. Put on means wear. Example, put on your jacket. Go out means leave home. Example, we go out at night. Come in means enter. Example, come in, please. Look for means search. Example, I look for my phone. Look up means search information. Example, look up the word. Come up with means think of an idea. Example, he comes up with a plan. Make up means become friends again. Example, they make up. Give up means stop trying. Example, don't give up. Go back means return. Example, go back home. Come back means return. Example, come back soon. Run away means escape. Example, the boy runs away. Break down means stop working. Example, the car breaks down. Turn on means start a machine. Example, turn on the TV.
Take over means take control. Example, she takes over the company. Give in means agree after pressure. Example, he gives in. Turn down means refuse. Example, she turns down the offer. Call off means cancel. Example, they call off the meeting. Set up means arrange. Example, they set up a meeting. Put up with means tolerate. Example, I can't put up with noise. Run into means meet unexpectedly. Example, I run into him. Break into means enter by force. Example, they break into the house. Bring up means mention a topic. Example, he brings up a problem. Pick up means learn or collect. Example, I pick up English quickly.
Great job! You just learned 100 phrasal verbs. But remember, learning is not enough. You must practice every day. Watch this video again, repeat aloud, and you will speak English naturally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.